Hi, welcome to Excel Tips GH. Today we are going to learn how to use the VLOOK up to automatically bring your tax band or let you know the tax band within which a chargeable income falls into. The VLOOKUPs work in a way such that it requires the value you are looking up and then the ranges of content you need to look such thing from. So in order to do that, we would need to first create the tax band range based on the cumulative income. So we are going to give ranges. So for the first 365, it is going to be if someone earns from 0 up to the cumulative income. That's for the first one. The second one is going to be the previous cumulative plus 1 up to the next cumulative income or the current cumulative income. So we are going to drag all of this down and then we drag this also down as well. Now with the exceeding, it is going to be someone earning from 20,001 cedis up to and above. So it is going to be this, and then here we create a formula for it. I'll teach you later, but let us continue. Now let us use an example of Yao, who earns a basic income of 400 and he doesn't pay any, or he's not entitled to any reliefs. He doesn't pay tax, so we assume that he's not entitled to any reliefs. So the relief portion is going to be 0 over here. Let us put them in a table form so that it becomes easier. Okay, thank you. So here we assume that the chargeable income is 400 cedis. Now if we are trying to calculate on the manual base, let us see the tax band on this 400 cedis. So we come to the cumulative income tax. We realize that the 400 is greater than 365, but when we get to the 475, we realize that it will fall in here. So the tax band is 475. Now let us see if we can use the Excel VLOOKUP to calculate for the 475. Here it is going to be equal to VLOOKUP, then the lookup value is going to be the 400, and then the table array is going to be the tax band range or table here up to this side. The reference is going to be the last column, which is the J, so that becomes 2, the column 2. We are done. You see, it has given us the 475 as the tax band. Now let us also use the first example, which is the 1,000 for Kwame, and see if we are going to get the 3,605 tax band. So 1,000, enter. You see, so it means that this formula is working. Thank you for watching. In our next lesson, we are going to learn how to use the we are going to learn how to use the match and then the index in assisting in the calculation. Please subscribe and then share. Thank you.